Most small business owners I know are feeling burnt out and overwhelmed. A lot of them are doing everything for their business manually, and a lot of times they're doing it by themselves. I'm here to change all that and make your life a little easier. Hi, my name is Robyn Anderson, and I'm the CEO of Jam AI. I'm partnering with score.org to bring you the AI Accelerator for small business owners. We've broken this up into two different courses because we know that everybody's at a different stage in their AI learning. So, in the Intro to AI, we will walk you through 5 AI tools that every small business owner should know. We're going to show you how to use things like ChatGPT and how to build an LLM training guide that will really blow you away. Don't worry, there's no tech skills needed. All you have to know how to do is have a conversation. So if you can do that, you're a perfect candidate for that course. In the second course, we're talking more about sales and marketing powered by AI. We'll show you real tips and tricks to use AI for your marketing, brand creation, creative design, and even more. We'll show you how to create a custom assistant that'll actually help you do more in less time. In prospecting, it's going to be a whole new game. So if you're interested in learning how to do more with less time and implement this new technology that's been life-changing to so many small business owners, these courses are for you. Give us a try, and I can't wait to see you inside.